Okay, so hi. We meet again for our second session. So firstly, I will share my slides. Wait a second. Okay, this is the second module, tips and tricks with OneNote. I hope everybody is getting excited after we get to know how to get started with OneNote. So we will move on to the tips and tricks with OneNote. Okay, what are the expectations and outcome that we will get from this second module is I will get into OneNote Clipper, optical character recognition, the tag and search features, share and sync, and also immersive reader option. This is the overview for our tips and tricks. I will show you how to add the features of OneNote Clipper to your web browser. To learn the interesting features of OCR, the tagging and searching in OneNote, you will learn how to share and sync with OneNote. And last but not least, you will learn how to use the immersive reader options in OneNote. Okay. OneNote Clipper, let's get started. Firstly, I will show you how to install OneNote Web Clipper, like this one, how to make it appear on your search web browser. Okay, whenever you do online research with OneNote, you can use the OneNote Clipper to easily capture, edit, annotate, and share information. This one is free to use and it works with most modern web browsers. Okay, so I will go to my web browser. Okay. See, you just search OneNote Clipper. Here, get OneNote Web Clipper for Chrome. Because I'm using Chrome. And because I've already have it on my extension, but I can show you how I add it. Okay, I remove it first. Okay, so whenever you search the OneNote Web Clipper, you just add to Chrome, add extension. This one is the extension. See, yay! OneNote Web Clipper is ready to use. All right, okay. So we already had it on our extension. Second one, okay, how to use OneNote Web Clipper. OneNote Web Clipper automatically will detect the type of website content that you want to capture, like an article, a recipe, or a product page. Okay, for example, I want to search firstly we will pin it. Okay, so that it will appear to your extension here. For example, I want to search the best homemade brownies for my recipes. So, just the first one. Okay. All right. Okay, look at here. The recipes already written to you at the bottom here. Okay. How we gonna use the OneNote Web Clipper? So you just click it. click the button of the OneNote web clipper. Okay, from this one, you can choose to click the whole page of the recipe to appear on your OneNote, or you can choose a region. For example, you just want this one. So it will come up as this one. Or you can choose the article. I prefer this one because if you want to click a recipe, this is the most suitable one, the article. You can see this is how the article features. If you choose article, it will appear on your OneNote. So after I click article, it will come out like this one. Yes. Okay. So you can choose anywhere that you like. I've already clicked this one because I'm scared if my line make a problem, my internet make a problem, so I'll just show it to you. Okay, where is it? Okay, this under my recipe, under my tea time, under my dessert, and under my sub page, brownies recipe. So this is the result. Brownies recipe. This one, you have to give it a title. It will show to you where do you click this from. It's very easy. So you can, if you want to go back to its website, you can just click it. Okay, so you will go there. Very simple. I love this feature. Very easy for you to read through. Okay, now I'm hungry. Okay, very simple, right? Okay, we'll move on to our next one. Sorry. So we move on. We are done with the OneNote web clipper. We'll move on to optical character recognition. Okay, what is this? What is this like so scientific language? Okay, so what is optical character recognition? Or we call, normally people will call it OCR. So OCR is basically a widespread technology to recognize a text inside an images, such as not only a picture, like a scanned document, your photos. So this OCR technology is used to convert virtually any kind of images containing written text into a machine-readable text data. So in OneNote, this feature is used. For example, if you want to find something, but you only remember the, what do you call that? The text inside the image. Alright. For example, you want to find your notes regarding pizza, but you don't remember if your written notes have the word pizza in it. But you did insert a picture with a pizza text written on it. So okay, before we get any we get confused, I will show you. Yeah. Okay. For example, you don't have any written notes here, and I want to find this. You cannot click, right? You cannot like copy and paste this text inside this one. But okay, if I were to search the word pizza, Okay, I try a new one. Homemade. The current page. Homemade. Okay. Okay, I search homemade. So, okay, look at here. There's no other text written, but the homemade, what we call that? Homemade word is on the picture. So whenever I search homemade, okay, so for this one doesn't represent the OCR features. This one it represents the OCR features because it detects a text inside a picture. So this is the example. So if I want to like copy text from picture, paste it. You can also do it, okay? So moving on to the next one. Okay, this is the OCR. Tag and search. Sorry. Okay. Think about how many notes that you take over the course of a year. Probably it will be like so many till like you start getting out of hand. Like you will tend to forget what you write and in what notebook that you keep it. You only maybe remember the important things that you write, but you don't know where you keep it. Okay, so how do you can quickly find your notes related to a specific topic, or how do you want to find it easily? So these tag features will help you to prioritize or categorize specific notes. Okay, the tag button is located at the home menu. You can tag your note container with any of the options present in the text. For example, if the note is something to do later, you can choose to do tag, or you can name it. You can name the tag any kind that you like. Okay, so I will show you an example. Okay, here. I've write an example for you. Okay, so for this one. Okay, I go to a new one. You want to tag this one. You go to the tag button. You can choose to do or important, or you want to save it as question or remember for later, definition. For mom, this one I create new tag. Okay, so I'll show you how to create a new tag. Okay, click create new tag. Name it anything that you like. Okay, for example, this is very urgent, so ASAP. Okay, you cannot put anything other than the alphabet. Okay, you can choose the icon that you want. Okay, for example, this one. I choose this one, ASAP. You can create. Click create. So your tag was created successfully. So whenever you want to okay, for example, cakes for a businesswoman. This is a very important features. If you want to do something like to buy anything, for example, buy 10 kg of flour. Then you scared you will forget it. You can put the tag ASAP that you made just now. So whenever you think you thought that you forget, you can just search on the search button. You search ASAP and then it will, yes, just like that. The result will show you which one. Okay, so for example, I want to search my other tag. Okay, this one, important. Yes, if you click it, it will automatically show you the page that you tag. For example, I simply tag this one, important, and then it will highlight for you which one. Okay. Okay, I'll show you one more to do. See, very, very, very convenient. Okay. Next one, you share and sync. Okay, I'll show you on my web browser. One minute. Okay. You can see here there is a share button. For example, I want to share my handwritten notes. I want to share my drawing, my tree to anyone. So you can just click share button. So here you can specify or you can enter an email address. You can leave a message. You can just send it or you can copy the link and send via message or WhatsApp, or you can also send it via Outlook. So how? So that's how you can share. So people will get this link. You can also specific the people, or you can also allow them to edit or not. If you don't click the allow editing button, they just can view your file. If you allow editing, so they can add anything in your notebook. So this one you can apply if you want to do work together with your partner. Anything like finishing your assignment, you type that type, and then you share the link, and then the people who have the link can also edit the notes. Because why? Because it is a cloud stored notebook that can be made as a share notebook by inviting others to view and edit. Just remember that any link to a notebook will provide access to the entire notebook, even you are only sending a link to a specific section. This is quite a little disadvantages of the OneNote. Okay, the next one. The sync option will link your cloud store notebook to all your alike accounts. Like I say, on my first session training, if you have the same account on your smartphone, same account on your laptop, they will be synced together. And also, like I showed you just now, the one that I have on my web browser will automatically link to my Microsoft OneNote for Windows 10. Okay, I can show you just now. The one that I created. It's going to take a few moments. Okay. All of my notebook on the OneNote for Windows 10 appeared same on my web browser. All right. The last but not least. Okay, Immersive Reader option. This one is included in OneNote Learning Tools. It's a full screen reading experience to increase readability of content in OneNote documents. Learning tool is designed to support students with dyslexia and dysgraphia in the classroom, but can support anyone who wants to make reading on their device easier, not only for the students. Okay, so after this, we're going to have a Kahoot session. All right, I will show you the Immersive Reader option. Okay. For example, okay, you will first go to the View ribbon. You click View. Okay, you can see the Immersive Reader option. Click it. Okay. Sorry, yes. Okay. So this feature is very helpful for anyone who have difficulties in reading, or for the children who wants to learn to read and their parents want them to learn by themselves. So you can use these features. After you click the Immersive Reader option, it will be presented like this. You can see that the writing also is very easy to read. And then when you click the play audio, okay, it will be read to you. Okay, before setting, you can Set the voice speed. Okay, I choose the slowest speed. Let's change it to male voice. Start. You can also click one by one. Once. Okay, so it will teach the children one by one how to pronounce, and it also show you like a picture so that by the time they click one by one, they can also know what is this. Oh, a girl is like this, and then name Cinderella, beef, stepmother, okay, like that. This is very interesting feature. I really like this. Okay, that's all for the immersive reader option. These features is not only for the students only, but it will also help the one with reading impairment, so they can just listen. For example, they can just listen it to your notes if they couldn't read it. Okay. I'll give you like a 1 minute break before we get into our Kahoot session. You all can log into Kahoot. Go to your web browser, search Kahoot, www.kahoot.it. Then key in this game pin. Okay, so we have the participant started to logging in. So I will start the quiz. Okay. First question. Get ready. Okay. This is just a simple quiz. All right. Okay. How do you access Windows 10 OneNote app can be accessed from a tablet, a computer, or a phone? So all of the answers. Next. The next question is OneNote organize materials through. Okay, what is it? Yes, OneNote. Notebook, section, and page. Next, third question. An original poem by a poet that you want your student to have read-only access to would probably be housed in a collaboration or a content library. Sure, content library. Next. OneNote can locate any word on any page in any of your notebook with the. Okay, so how do you find? Yes. If you want to find your work, like I said just now, just click the search button. Next, true or false question. It is not possible to export a page to Word. Hmm. Of course, you can export. OneNote pages can contain the following types of materials: videos, image, other apps, handwritten notes. True or false? True. Two people who have access to the same notebook can both make changes on the same page at the same time. True or false? All right. That is all. Our session for today. It's not only the Kahoot session for today, so to sum up our session, this is the end of the training. So I will share to those who didn't get to join didn't get to scan the first one, the barcode later. Okay, so thank you for having me, for joining my training for today. Okay, and hope you guys, sorry, okay, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Okay, thank you.